Hello, Saber Forum. E-Rock here with another custom sound font review by Zren Tobas. This one is the Sith Warrior and Dueler font. There appears to be a light side inspired and a dark side inspired version. It's the same sound font. One seems to have a little bit higher stuff for the Jedi, and one seems to be pitched a little bit deeper, a little more resonant for the Sith. In this review, I'm going to show you both of them. So, the Jedi font has a nice, quick startup, which is kind of nice. The Sith side power up is a little bit deeper. The hum is very subtle. Which is nice. It kind of gives me a sort of like a I don't know if this would really exist, but a Jedi stalker kind of a feel to it. But it's not a loud hum. It's pretty cool. The hum is the same as before. It's nice and subtle. It's not in your face. But this one is a little bit more deeply pitched. So the swings so on the Jedi side they're very quick and high pitched as well. Pretty cool. The Sith swings are just like the Jedi's, except of course meaner, because we just have to be meaner on the Sith side, don't we? So. And the Jedi clashes are well, just like what you would imagine with the Sith side as well, as you can tell by now. It's the same sound, but it's just shifted a little bit, which is pretty kind of cool, I think. That means you can have the same font on two different sabers, and they wouldn't, you could hear the distinction. They wouldn't kind of be the same thing clashing against each other, which I've actually experienced with this and my son's saber. Loaded the same font on, and it just kind of sounded funny with two different sabers making the exact same sounds, and you could tell that they were the same. This one, I think it's going to work out if you were to load this font, part A on one saber and part B on another. You could tell a difference, and that means it would also work as a staff font, if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, which is cool if you are. So, here's some clashes. So, rapid, quick, just quick saber chops. That's what I'm hearing when I hear this. The Sith clashes are again just like the Jedi's. Only thing, again, some of them are just a little bit deeper sounding. And next we have the Jedi lockup. So, and the Sith lockup, just a bit deeper. And then the Jedi power off. And the Sith shut down. So, that concludes the review, both the Jedi side and the Sith side, for Zren Tobas' Sith, Warrior, and Dueler font. And I hope you liked it, and I thank you very much, and join the dark side. The cookies, man, it's true what they say about them.